Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to convert an HTML website in WordPress. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to go to your computer browser, and as you can see, I'll go to ChatGPT to give you an example of a HTML code that you can turn into a website. So I'm just gonna say, can you give me an example of an HTML website? So if you have a code in mind, or if you already have a code or an HTML code, you can skip this part, or you can just go directly to WordPress, and I'm gonna show you how to do it in a bit. Once I have generated my code, an example of an HTML code right here. So as you can see, it is still generating my code, and I use chat.openai.com here, or ChatGPT. So as you can see, it is already done. So in this example, we have a very simple website that includes a title, header, and an image and some text. So I'm just gonna copy this code real quick, and next I'm gonna go to WordPress right here, and once you're in WordPress, just go to write right here, and as you can see right here, this is my blank canvas. This is where I'll be working. So if I just paste the code that I just copied from ChatGPT right there, it will automatically generate the website. So it is very simple and it is very easy. So just if you have a code, just copy the code and of course click it into your blank canvas right here and just publish it. It's as simple as that, and it's very straightforward. So as you can see, that is it for this video, and I do hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!